Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be showing you some of the features and benefits of the Ford Yaris Cross. The vehicle is covered under manufacturer warranty, and we also applied a triple layer of Gardex nano coat over the paint to make sure no tree sap, acidity or rain will affect it for time to come. This specific exemplar is in the design trim level and is painted in pearl white. Part of the design trim level kit is the full LED daytime and main beam, fog lights, the satin finish over the front details of the bumper and the apron, the 17 inches matte gray alloys, powerful mirror and two-tone finish of the roof with satin finish over the roof rails. Going to the back, you can see even more satin finish details due to the design trim. The rear view camera is located just above of the license plate, and you also have parking sensors over the rear bumper. Going over to the left, we got the fuel flap, and you can see in better detail the Yaris Cross emblem over the side trim. Let's get a look into the cabin now. The vehicle is fitted with keyless system, so as long as you have the key within yourself and approach the door handle, it will automatically unlock for you. The vehicle is in a 5-seat configuration with a 3-seat bench and 3 headrests at the rear. And as you can notice, it's also been enriched by the GR Sport inspired design on the seats. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with also lumbar support. They're finished in half leather and fabric in charcoal finish with gold contrast stitching. Getting into the vehicle, you can see more details from the design trim level, like the gold inlays over the trims, the blue ambient lighting visible in the door handle, but you can also see it in the center console, and the digital dashboard, which is also enriched by other regular dials over the vehicle. The vehicle is fitted with automatic headlights, as you can see from the left spoke. You also have the infotainment controls over the multifunction steering wheel, which is adjustable in height and depth. And then the cruise control settings over to the right with the lane keeping assist and the forward collision warning. And then you have also other regular infotainment controls. And then you have the stalk for the wipers, which, as you can see, they're also automatic. Over to the right, down the bottom, you have a dial to adjust the height of the beam, and also the automatic main beam. And then over the armrest, you got the 4 power windows controls, central locking unit, and the power fold mirrors. The infotainment unit is a Toyota Media with an 8-inch screen, fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and also of its own navigation system with Connect features, which will give you real-time traffic details. Part of the design trim kit is also the dual zone climate control and the heated front seats, plus the hill descent assist. As I mentioned before, the vehicle is fitted with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through the USB Type-A port. Being a hybrid vehicle, it's obviously automatic. And over here you have more controls like the drive mode, which lets you select between Eco, Normal and Sport. And also you have the Snow and Trail selector, because this vehicle is still an SUV, even if it's a compact one. And then you have the electronic handbrake. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Toyota Yaris Cross. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.